Nigeria, 2027. The Strategic Path to Unseat a Sitting President by Chelvis Chika. As Nigeria approaches the 2027 general elections, the nation stands on the edge of a defining moment. The choices made now will shape the country's direction for years to come. In this article, I share an analysis of what appears to be the most strategic pathway for any opposition bloc looking to secure victory and restore balance to the nation. Understanding the political map, Nigeria's political reality is shaped by regional influence, deep-rooted voter loyalty, and decades of historical alignment. One fact has remained consistent. To challenge an incumbent president, the opposition must form a united, strategically balanced coalition. Atiku Abubakar remains one of the most recognized political figures in northern Nigeria. His experience, especially as former vice president under President Olusegun Obasanjo, is remembered by many as a more stable period before the rise of banditry, Boko Haram, and widespread insecurity. This history gives him a strong foundation in the north. On the other hand, Peter Obi commands unprecedented loyalty in the southeast, strong support in the south-south, and rising influence in the Middle Belt. His reputation for transparency and discipline has captured the hopes of millions, especially younger Nigerians. A North-South alliance built on these two political forces would instantly reshape the 2027 landscape. The power of a unified opposition. If the opposition forms a coalition that brings together northern dominance through an experienced figure, southern enthusiasm through a highly trusted reformist, a middle belt desirous of stability, a southwest seeking performance-driven leadership, the sitting president would face a nearly impossible electoral map. This is basic political mathematics. When the North is united behind one major candidate, and the Southeast, South-South, is consolidated behind another figure on the same ticket, the opposition becomes stronger than the sum of its parts. The danger of fragmentation. However, if the opposition enters the 2027 election divided with multiple strong contenders emerging from both regions, the votes will scatter. A split field almost always benefits the incumbent. This is a reality of Nigerian politics. A divided opposition could also damage the long-term prospects of emerging leaders who rely heavily on momentum and national goodwill. Why this combination could reshape Nigeria's power balance.